Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to buy a domain on GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GoDaddy, where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our account. So go ahead and log in if you do not already have an account. Just go and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where we can get started logging in the domain name for our business. We can see all the products and services that we can access and so on. So let's go ahead and see how do you buy a domain that we want to use. Well guys, the first thing you can see right here is that we can go ahead and get started selecting the domain name we can use. So what you can do is check the availability of the domain that you want to use right here, and it's if it's available, GoDaddy will let you buy it instantly. But if you cannot see it guys, then what we can do is go ahead and click the get started option right here in products and services, where we can get started with finding the domain name that we can use and that we want to use. So here in the upper left corner you can go ahead and select the domains section. So under domain sections guys, now as you can see, we can get started with auctioning for domain names. So what you can do guys, if you cannot find the domain name you want to use, what you can do is find other auction domains that are being auctioned that you can buy and see how much they cost right here to get started with taking ownership over them and buying the domain that you want to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.